Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys a few different solutions or workarounds when Windows Explorer is not responding on your computer at Windows 10 or Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area ng taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. And dito sa Task Manager, dito lang sa Processes tab, so kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows Explorer, or pwede mong i-type dito sa taas, i-search natin Windows Explorer. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad, and then kailangan mo lang i-select and right click. And kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. So, click mo lang yan and then wait natin. And so, once na-restart na natin dito, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. So, dito lang sa search menu, and then dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung option. At pop-up itong folder option settings. So, ang next step, dito lang sa general. And then, dito lang sa baba, dito sa under, dito sa privacy, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong clear. Okay, so click mo lang tong clear. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? And the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. Dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung Disk Cleanup. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa Disk Cleanup drive selection, so select lang tayo dito ng ating i-clean up. So select lang natin tong C drive. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. At wait natin na makalculate. And then next step, pop-up itong Disk Cleanup. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong clean up system file. So click mo lang yan. And then next, select mo lang dito yung ating drive. So click mo lang tong C drive and click OK. And then wait natin. Right, so after dito, so close lang natin yan. And the last solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for app, i-type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Explorer is not responding in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.